So no, that's not good. Grab your beauty sponge. When you don't set the eye, oh my god. I low-key look like I'm about to go and explore some animals. Like Elijah and the Thornberries. Hey everyone, my name is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Joanna. And today I'm going to be doing an eye look. So we're just going to focus on the eyes. I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. So that way we can just focus on the eyes today. So just stay tuned and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll be doing this palette today. The Dream palette from Beauty Bird. And it looks like this. I'm going to grab my Morphe M506 brush. This one right here. I'm going to bring it to the crease. And it's small, so you have control over the product. First, we want to go ahead and apply concealer on your eyelid. So I'm grabbing the Born This Way from Too Faced concealer. I'm grabbing the beauty sponge and setting it onto the eye. Now that concealer, if you apply a little bit, it goes a long way. If you don't set the concealer, when you apply the eyeshadow color, it grabs onto the color. Once you set it with powder and then you add another powder on top of it, it doesn't grab or have the same pigment on the eye. I'm going to do two different colors on the crease. So I'm going to start off with that first shade. And you see how I'm keeping it as close as I can to the eye crease. I'm not bringing it up. I don't want the look to go too up high to the eyebrow. The eyeshadow palette does get a little powdery, but it does not have that much fallout. So I'm not very worried about the fact that it gets powdery on the brush. Next color we're gonna use, we're gonna combine the two colors together. And you want to blend it together so you don't see the start and the finish of the colors. You want to blend it all together like if it was all one color. So you want to blend starting with where the other color ended. You don't want to go up too far into the inner corner of your eye. And just lightly do like circular motions once you get to the corner of your eye. I know you guys can see the hairs growing out from my eyebrow, but I'm letting them grow. You want to clean your brush. You want to blend the top. You want to do it lightly. You don't want any harsh lines. Now if you guys like to do your foundation before you do your eyeshadow, I know that they sell like, I don't know what they're called, but they're like eye pads where they like stick onto your eye. It's like a wiping pad, but it has tape on it. And it grabs any fallout. Or you can also grab your beauty sponge and get your translucent powder and put it right under, and it'll grab the fallout, and then you can just wipe it off. I've been using the same brush to apply the colors. I have not changed the brush. And the way I clean it is I have a clean sweep. It's a clean sweep makeup, and I got it at Marshall's for like $3 or $4. And it looks like this, and you just clean your brush. And for those who follow me on social media, you guys know that I posted this NARS concealer on there. And I like to use this when I do a cut crease, because the product, it's not runny, watery. It's like just the right consistency that I need or like to use for the cut crease, because it's not watery and I feel like I have more control over it. And the brush that I like to use, this brush. And the reason for me liking to use this type of brush is because it already has a curve to it. So it makes it easier on your cut crease. Because if I grab this kind of brush, I have to watch the end edges of this brush, because it doesn't curve with my eyes. You see, if I go right here, for example, if I go right here, it's going straight. It's not giving me a curve. But honestly, you can use any concealer that you would like. It's really about what you feel more comfortable using to do your cut crease. Once you guys are done with your cut crease, kind of at the end, lightly blend that there's no harsh line to show where your cut crease ends before you apply the eyeshadow. Because if you don't, sometimes, for me, I feel like it's harder for me to blend in the eyeshadow. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So with that same brush I was using, and I'm going to just tap at the end of my eyelid, that very corner edge. And you see how there's no harsh line to where the concealer ended on the cut crease? Try that, and that might actually help to not make it as noticeable, the fact that you did the cut crease and where you stopped it. And just use tap motions. This brush right here, this little one, it is the Morphe M213. This is the brush I'm going to use to grab the colors I'm going to use for my cut crease. Where that first eyeshadow ended, you're going to blend your next color in with it, so you don't see any harsh lines. That way you can't see where your first eyeshadow color ended and where your second color shadow started. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. Grab my Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush. It looks like this. And this is the one I'm going to use to do my inner corner. Tap. And blend. I'm going to go in with this new eyeliner from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a true matte black. At this part, I'm going to grab the Morphe E17 and I'm going to blend the edges. Okay, now you see the difference between this one and this one? This one, the lines blended in. This one, there's a harsh line right here. We're going to blend that out. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell in the camera, but definitely in person you can tell the difference. Now this eye look, you can leave it like this once you add your lashes and all, but I'm gonna go a little extra and I'm gonna add glitter to it. I'm gonna add the Stila. And this is the color Kitten Karma. Now with this glitter you have to be kind of careful because it can get everywhere. It's not a loose glitter. It is liquid, but as it dries off, the glitter can go anywhere. And it's a pretty thin brush. I haven't used it, but I was looking for something that was thin enough to be able to create an eyeliner look. And what I mean by that is by grabbing the brush and on the tip of it, grab the product. So let's see how this goes. Let's add mascara onto the eyelashes. Before I start on my under eye, I'm gonna do my foundation. and bring it as close as you can to the first color. Right where that other color ended, that's where your next color will start. Clean the brush and blend it all together. So you're gonna clean the brush and blend it all together. Just grab a little bit of highlight. Just grab the setting spray from Urban Decay and spray. Make sure nothing moves. Nothing is going nowhere. I did add a brown eyeliner for the waterline. Used a Rimmel. This is kind of old. I got this from Walmart. It's brown, a little bit reddish, and it completes the look. I'm gonna grab a Clinique lip liner, and this is color Intense Cosmo. And this lip color I got from Fenty Beauty. It's the Flamingo Acid. It's the Mademoiselle. It's such a pretty color. Yeah. And I don't do dark lips so much because I feel like with my skin complexion, not everything looks good on me. And these are supposed to stay matte. And let me tell you, the product, it doesn't feel heavy on the lip. It feels light and creamy at the same time. Alright you guys, so that completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Show your girl some love. And if you guys follow me in any of my other social medias, I would love if you guys recreated this look and send it to my DMs. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Okay you guys, so that completes today's look. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thank you guys so much for watching. I can't speak English. Okay.
What's your voice? What's your voice?
It was $80.
No, I was